Okay. What is up, guys? This is your boy Andy Arts here, and I got a brand new Galaxy Tab SFFE. I've been wanting to buy this tablet so that I can use it for drawing or whatnot. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. Right? So let's get started. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open it. I also got this cover for the tablet. This is a I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a Ceto top case for the tablet, right? Right, so let's go ahead. Ooh. So let's go ahead and let's take a look, see if I can pull this out. Wow, this is pretty heavy, actually. This is pretty heavy. So here's a tablet. Wait, how do I take this out? Oh, there we go. So here's a tablet. It's covered with this like kind of like transparent piece of paper, right? And it's actually, I think it weighs like about 5 to 10 pounds. I think 5 to 10 pounds. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it here for now. And these are all the extras that come with it, like the manual, the little opener, right? The S Pen, which is, I'm really hoping that I can replace the nibs. I'm probably gonna have to buy a couple of more, right? So, and this is the charger, just the power adapter. Power adapter. I like the color, and I'm really glad that I got it in white. Because most devices nowadays they kind of like come in black, in a black color. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how do I remove this without breaking it. Okay, how do I remove it without breaking it? Holy hell. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I think maybe like this. This is how you're supposed to open it. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Haha. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. It's really nice. So the camera, right? The camera is right here. And if we go to the back, right? There's another camera right here as well. I think it's a 8mm camera. No, 8 megapixels. I don't know, right? I really love the color. It's a nice silvery color, right? All right, so it doesn't have any power right now. No power because it's brand new, so we got to charge it up. But what I do want to do is I want to go ahead and put it in this case. Nice little cover that I got here for it. All right, so it's nice and locked in here. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow, this is so nice and neat. And right here, there's like some pockets here, so you can put maybe some paperwork. And also the S Pen. The reason why I bought this cover is because it has a little nice pocket for the S Pen. So we take the S Pen, right, and then we're gonna put it right in here, right in here. Look how nice and neat is that? So when you like move it around, it doesn't fall off. Wow, this is really, really neat. And then if you wanna, look at that. This is pretty freaking big, dude. This is a pretty big tablet, right? So if you wanna like, you know, watch videos or whatever, if you wanna draw on it, let me see. Let me take the S Pen out. This is really good for drawing. So it's really big. I mean, look at my hand, right? Look at my hand, look at the screen. It's pretty freaking big, man. What's going on, guys? So yeah, so to continue on with the demonstration, here's the Samsung tablet S7FE. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I don't want you guys to see my password, so I'm gonna log in first. And look, it's absolutely good. The resolution in this Tablet is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I'm gonna go ahead. One of the first things I did was check out YouTube. Right, YouTube is absolutely amazing in this app. Love it. But really, one of the things that I bought this app for was for drawing. That's why I bought the Clip Studio app to draw. And but before I use the S Pen and all of that, just want to show you, just the like the resolution in this this application, how absolutely beautiful it is. So I got this image here from one of my favorite artists. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare, but hold on, maybe something more colorful. Right, it's a lot of glare, a lot of light. Maybe you guys can't see it very well, but right. So it's beautiful here, man. Beautiful tablet. Again, the resolution is not looking good here because there's light coming up from over here. But anyways, so let's go ahead and take out the S Pen. Hold on, I got the S Pen right here in the back, right? The S Pen charges by you attaching it to the back. Yes, it charges by itself. And that are pretty neat things with this thing. So for example, if I press the button, right, if you guys can see, if I press the button, well, you gotta hover it. It brings up this little menu here. It says create note. Brings its own little menu here. But let's get out of here. Come on. But let's go ahead and check out one of my favorite apps for drawing, which is Clip Studio. Absolutely love this app. So let's go ahead and let it load. All right, so, oh man, it's so hard to see. All right, so this is Clip Studio. This picture that you see here, I actually drew this here with the pen, right? Of course, I actually drew this here, really cool. I tried other apps. I actually tried Painter. I don't know why, but for some reason on Painter, like when I'm drawing circles, it just like it's not very good with the edges. I don't know why, but if you want to draw like line work, Clip Studio Pro on the Samsung S7 tablet FE is the best application. Hold on, turn off. Is the best application. I don't know what's wrong with all these other apps, but yeah, it works great. I love it. It's great. So maybe you guys can't see that. See, it's one of my little character that I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to draw something here. Hold on. Wait. So as you can see, I'm trying to try to zoom in. Okay. Drew these strands of hair up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it's really great. This is great for drawing. And again, the application that I recommend with this tablet is Clip Studio Pro. Other apps I really cannot speak of because they just, I don't know. I don't know if it's the S Pen or whatever, but it doesn't work really well. But the S Pen does really well with Clip Studio, because the thing is, Clip Studio is made specifically for drawing line work, you know. All right, and damn it. All right, and yeah, so there's a lot of like neat little tricks here. But I haven't figured everything out because, like, you know, I'm just still trying to figure out the entire tablet. But this has a lot of features. This has a feature here where you can do like you can screen record, obviously. You can use it as a second screen. So if you have a PC or a laptop, you can use this as a second screen. It's absolutely great. It's a lot of great features here. And the Dex, this has like a Dex feature here where you can turn it into kind of like a desktop type of view. Yeah, it's just absolutely great. The video qualities here is beautiful. Drawing on this thing is absolutely amazing. Yeah, drawing on this thing is absolutely amazing. And I have not used it for taking pictures because I wasn't planning on taking pictures with this. I have my own camera for those things. But if you're looking for an Android tablet to draw on, this is it. This and the Samsung, I recommend the Samsung S8 Ultra because it has a 14-inch screen, but that one costs $1,000. This is a very budget friendly. This one costs $400. Really good. It's really fast. I'm like amazed at how fast it is. As a matter of fact, let me go open. I'm gonna open Crunchyroll. I like anime. Any anime fans out there? It's just really fast. Netflix. It's very responsive. Let's see, Samsung Notes. Samsung Notes. Right, I'm gonna take out a pen here. And I'm gonna. It's great. I absolutely love this tablet. But that is going to be it. I'm going to be doing drawing videos on this tablet. So guys, if you're interested in this, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell for future notifications. I do drawing videos, drawing tutorials. I draw anime and manga. So if you're into any of that stuff, make sure to subscribe. I also like to do tech reviews. I'm gonna be, whenever I buy a new tech device, I'm gonna be reviewing it on this channel. If you're into that, make sure to subscribe. This is your boy Andy Arts. See you guys later.